think we should keep the action moving right along. Let's take it back to our ring announcer.
Our second contest is scheduled for one fall.
I love this guy in Blues Traveler.
Introducing first.
There he is, top shelf Troy Nelson.
Introducing first. He represents the Tap Brewing Company out of Hanover, Massachusetts. He stands in at 6 feet tall, weighing in at 215 pounds.
What's wrong with him?
He is top shelf Troy Nelson.
Now, Robbie, you said here is Troy Nelson, but here is Troy Nelson just barely.
Yeah, Troy Nelson's body is here in the PhilaMOCA. Sometimes you have to relax before a big match, blow off some steam. It's not just after work, it's before work.
Oh no, and now we're giving him a live mic.
I just want to let you all know, karate is make-believe.
Oh boy.
It's not real.
Oh boy.
It's a fiction of Janai Kai's imagination.
Lucid for a man
And
in his
tonight, I'm going to teach.
Oh, no. Keep that in.
Shut up! I'm going to teach you the true martial art. It's called Drunken Fist.
Oh, heavens.
It's amazing how you can get an athletic physique specimen
And
like
his
Alex
opponent.
Price from Massachusetts, and then you can also get something like Troy Nelson.
You know, New England gives all shapes and sizes. Everyone, you know?
Land of diversity, Alyssa.
Absolutely.
Gino Gotts, you good tonight, kid?
Yeah, maybe I can get $3 for this in the street.
God, he must be drunk. Saying Gino Gotts looks good tonight?
And his opponent.
She's not drunk enough for you.
From Washington, D.C.
Oh, boy.
She is one half of Yoka, the Kick Demon, Janai Kai.
I don't know if you two have had the pleasure of watching Janai Kai kill a man, but you're gonna tonight.
We certainly are. Janai Kai, someone who is a Taekwondo black belt, someone who is a skilled kickboxer, a practitioner of Muay Thai, well-traveled competitor that it just keeps building more steam as she goes.
Troy Nelson made some insulting comments prior to this contest, but I don't think he realizes the extent of Janai Kai's expertise in the martial arts.
You know, from what I heard, top shelf Troy Nelson actually made this challenge drunkenly from his local bar.
You have to be drunk to challenge Janai Kai. Nobody in their right mind would ever want to get into the ring with her.
What I want to know is how was this challenge issued? What was the medium?
Bar napkin.
Oh, boy. Okay.
I mean, we all start somewhere.
So this is absolutely...
Where's the closest morgue? Because
I think we're in it.
a homie's about to die.
Oh, boy. Yeah, we are actually in it.
Wait, what?
Janai Kai is not looking very impressed by this crazy as opposed to karate.
Wait a minute. I just
Maybe
found
some-
out
maybe
we're in a
some tweaks.
mausoleum. I'm shook now. Hold on.
Gotta do your research, Gino.
I
Okay, hold on.
And now we're seeing some strikes issued here by Troy Nelson.
Yeah, good luck.
Troy Nelson tucking in his shirt in a sloppy fashion. Oh!
Did you even see her throw that shot?
No, there's like some sort of yellow blur.
She's just...
Meanwhile, Troy Nelson saw 5 Janai Kais delivering that blow.
In fairness, he's seeing 5 of a lot of things
This
right
is
now.
very true.
Hit the one in the middle, Troy.
Beautiful takedown by Janai Kai. And look at her face. It looks like she's just going to play with this man.
She's just a pretty young girl. She's harmless, right?
Are you joking,
Yes,
Gino?
I would. Don't
Gino,
tell her I
thank
said that. She'll
God.
I
kill
would
me.
literally hide under the covers if she
Yeah,
even mentioned.
Janai Kai is absolutely lethal, and I don't know if until this very moment, Troy Nelson knew what he was getting into here tonight.
I'm actually really surprised that those kicks, he has any feeling that his body's just not numb from all the alcohol.
So that may have been a strategic decision.
Oh, wow.
Jeez, head first into the buckle goes Janai.
That's a drunker's resourcefulness at play. Troy Nelson grabbing the first things he sees, falling backwards perhaps in a drunken stupor, and Janai Kai goes slamming into the turnbuckle.
You see, what you don't want to do is piss her off. Now she's angry. Now he's going to feel the pain. Before she was going to put him out, now he's going to make him suffer.
Well, Troy Nelson absolutely filled with liquid courage at this juncture. He has no fear.
He's not smart enough to have any fear.
Now Janai Kai is in in quite a way.
Suplex and
Cover from Troy Nelson.
what an upset that would have been.
Could you imagine?
I truly cannot. Janai Kai, I think, may be taken by surprise. You know, it's difficult to predict the wrestling style of a man so unorthodox and frankly non-lucid as Troy Nelson. So
Can we call it a style?
it's more of an awkward movement.
Oh, come on. Obscuring the vision, digging the eyes of Janai Kai.
Maybe if Nick Shin did his job.
Janai Kai, someone who is such an incredibly skilled competitor that I don't think that Troy Nelson really took seriously as serious competition here in the ring.
Well, he needs to.
This is such a clash of philosophies. Obviously, Troy Nelson takes everything with a grain of salt, whereas Janai Kai obviously has devoted her life to these martial arts disciplines, to the professional wrestling sport.
The only thing Troy Nelson takes with a grain of salt is the rim of his margarita glass.
This is very true. I mean, through very slurred speech, Troy Nelson told me, as he told the crowd here, he does not believe in martial arts. He just doesn't believe in it.
That's yet another conspiracy theory we're unearthing here right in PWE.
I guess so. But now, wow,
All
flying
open
palm
to the Friary.
strikes.
Look at her, she's pissed.
Another open hand strike to the chest by Janai Kai.
Jeez.
Another one.
It's going to be an open hand strike. It's also going to open up his chest.
No, caught up is Janai Kai.
Yeah, watch this.
What is?
Yeah,
What's he doing?
Hold on.
Oh, wait, whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This is awkward.
He's dead.
Hold on.
Look at her. When she smiles, that means you're screwed. You don't want to see her smile.
Wait, we're at a standoff or a
No.
one-legged standoff
She's
here.
right where he
No!
Oh! The hip flexors
Look
of both
at those
competitors.
eyes.
That is incredible. I mean, both do some sort of variation of the Johnny Cage.
Yeah, except one of them knows how to do it. The other one is just in pain.
Oh.
And now
That's stupid. That was
splits in
dumb.
the middle of
Jeez.
trading open hand palm strikes and forearms.
Are you kidding me?
Janai right back, the side of the head. That clapped the ear of Troy Nelson.
Yeah, he'll fear it on 3 days when he sobers up.
Jeez. You can feel and
Look
hear
at
the
the
impact.
Slap in the face from Troy Nelson.
He's not smart. This is not a good idea.
You know, Troy Nelson told me that, oh my lord,
Yeah, he's gonna
go
be
look for
speaking
Troy
through a
Nelson's
tube.
head over on Spring Garden somewhere.
Troy Nelson now stumbling into the corner. I don't know if that's a result of those strikes to the head or just his natural state.
Janai now going to work. Oh, he better hope she doesn't taste her own blood.
Oh no.
Janai, like a predator with the chaos kicks.
There's alternating right, left kicks to the chest and the back of Troy Nelson. Oh! Huge spin kick by Janai Kai right to the side of the face of Troy Nelson, and he is now rolling over into the corner.
You look like a giant math board. How many kicks did she actually throw right there?
I'm actually quite deficient in mathematics.
And that's the only one that mattered.
Jeez, a tornado kick.
Hey, keep your hands off her.
Whoa, that's it.
Calls for a disqualification.
But hold on. We didn't get the
Here's your winner as a result of a knockout.
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 Kai.
She caught him unawares. Unbelievable.
Janai Kai, someone whose star is on the rise. She has been recently announced as making her Shimmer debut. She was winner of the Shoot to Thrill tournament for CFU, and her star keeps growing brighter and brighter with an impressive showing here at PWE.
Absolutely. Janai's only objective in the world is to knock her opponent's head off. She was successful here tonight.
Wow, what?
You know, I have a problem when people come to work or drink on the job. It's just really
I think we need a
disrespectful.
puke bucket in the locker room for Top Shelf Troy Nelson.
And I don't think Troy Nelson should do that.
Wise words, Gino.
Thank
Good.
you.
Good. You're a
Never mind, he's just
real
really
pillar of
mad.
excellence, you are.
Wanna?
I'm fine, thank you. Let's
Let's try to
keep
regroup
it- yeah,
and
let's-
refocus. What we saw tonight to start this show were two incredible matches, very, very different contests. Of course, the first match, two competitors who took things very seriously, a fantastic opener.
Yes.
And now this match between the unorthodox Troy Nelson and him just not coming to work, ready to
No.
compete in the slightest.
Janai Kai is a portrait of discipline and impressive skill, and she really showed it here tonight at
Absolutely,
PWE.
and
What are
and
you
her
doing?
focus paid off.
It 100% did, and I'm very curious to see what's going to happen in our next matchup.
Absolutely. We have coming up Hyena Hex versus Mahalo.
Mach 10. Incredible.
Janai Kai and Top Shelf Troy Nelson.
Let's take it back to our ring announcer and keep our action.